Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best tow straps on Amazon. Nylon straps are engineered with incredible strength and durability, making them a simple solution for towing your dead vehicles. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Rhino Recovery Tow Strap. You need a strap that can handle whatever you throw at it, and that is exactly what Rhino USA has made. At 3 inches thick by 20 feet long, this strap has plenty of strength for hauling and is rated with a 10,663 pound WLL. Of course, if you like to live dangerously, it also has a lab-tested 31,518 pound braking strength, but we don't suggest testing that out. Each loop has triple reinforced looped ends and is vibrant green, which contrasts nicely with the black strap. To make stowing a cinch, Rhino USA includes a heavy-duty drawstring bag, helping to keep your cab clean too. What makes this strap a premium pick is Rhino USA's promise to refund your money if you're not satisfied for any reason. That's a heck of a guarantee. What we like about it: 10,663 pound working load limit. Triple reinforced loops. Affordable pricing. What we don't like about it: only 20 feet long. Slightly weaker than competitors. Number 2. Gear America Heavy Duty Tow Strap. If you're anything like us, you want the best bang for your buck. Gear America offers just that with its heavy-duty tow strap. Made with high-tensile polyester, PES, and military-grade webbing, it has a maximum braking strength of 35,000 pounds and is moisture and UV resistant to offer an extended life of usage. With a working load limit (WLL) rating of 10,000 pounds, it's hard to believe this strap is so affordable. The double web, reinforced loop ends fight abrasion and protect your equipment. And it's backed by a lifetime warranty. What we like about it: 10,000 pound WLL. Lifetime warranty. Oversized storage bag included. What we don't like about it: only 20 feet long. Number 3. TGL Tow Strap. For most products, when you get something cheap, it's not as strong and doesn't last as long as high-priced products. TGL's tow strap is the exception to that rule. With a 30,000 pound rating, this beefy 3-inch strap features a visible wear bar along its 20-foot length to indicate usage. Its reinforced loops fight abrasions at your attachment points, and the strap is constructed from polyester material. Not only that, this strap is UV resistant and rugged enough to get the job done. Nor will you have to shell out an arm and a leg for this strap, as it's easily one of the most value-oriented straps on this list. What we like about it: budget-friendly pricing. 10,000 pound WLL. Reusable storage strap included. Visible wear bar to indicate the use. What we don't like about it: only 20 feet long. Slightly weaker than competitors. Number 4. Bubba Rope Power Stretch Recovery Rope. Changing the game of vehicle towing and recovery, Bubba Rope offers a different solution. Traditional straps are heavy and add weight to your vehicle when carried. In rough terrain and on soft ground, pounds matter, which is why the Power Stretch Recovery Rope weighs less than 2 ounces. Its braking strength is certified at 28,600 pounds, giving you a wall of around 9,500 pounds, which is ideal for SUVs and small trucks. Its 7/8-inch body is constructed from double-braided nylon and absorbs the shock of recoveries. What we like about it: weighs less than tow straps. Water UV and abrasion resistant. Absorbs the shock of recovery. What we don't like about it: not as strong as traditional straps. Higher price point. Number 5. Alltop Nylon Recovery Tow Strap. Alltop's nylon recovery strap sports excellent performance at a reasonable cost and isn't our number 1 pick only because it is priced slightly above the Gear America strap. This 3-inch strap also has a 35,000 pound braking strength, giving you a WLL rating of 11,666 pounds. Colored bright orange for high visibility, this strap is made from 100% nylon. The N66 material gives extra elasticity for increased kinetic properties suitable for recoveries. Just below the triple reinforced loop ends are neoprene protector sleeves to prevent abrasion and protect your hardware. It is, however, only 20 feet long, which can limit its capabilities. What we like about it: 11,666 pound, WLL. 22% elasticity. Lifetime warranty. What we don't like about it: only 20 feet long. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.